Hey, guys. This episode has been updated or remastered. This episode in last 1 month. Anyways, enjoy the show.
Hi, I'm Iolani. And today isn't a good day because I got grounded by my stupid Sonic OCs. This isn't fun. What should I do to make things exciting? I got it. I'm going to display a North Korean flag outside my home. Ha 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 ha. Alright. Now that I'm outside my home, I'm going to hang a North Korean flag with tapes on my house exterior. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There. This North Korean flag is all planted and displayed. Now it's time to head back in so I won't get in hot water.
Oh my god. What's that outside our home? Is that the flag of North Korea, or something? Someone must have displayed the flag of North Korea outside our home.
According to our speculations, we suspected it must have been Iolani. She's not supposed to be having fun while grounded.
Thought so. And besides, foreign flags are denied from displaying normally as other people might think you're in the wrong country.
Get over here right now.
Oh, crap. What's wrong, Buck, Peridot, and Eric?
Iolani, we just came back from somewhere, and we saw this North Korean flag outside our home. Explain fully to us the truth right now, or you'll be in boiling water.
Okay. I will explain the truth fully to you all. I displayed this North Korean flag outside our home, because I want to make it look exciting, right, guys?
Oh, hell no, Iolani. That flag of North Korea isn't exciting at all. We all can't believe you displayed a foreign flag outside our home. Do you think we're in another country? No?
And to add things up, North Korea is one of the most hated and worstest countries in the world for a bunch of reasons, including communism, unbearable laws, and nuclear possession. That's it. You're severely grounded, for 300 days.
Now getting home, go upstairs to your room at once, and go to bed. And we're taking this Democratic People's Republic of Korea flag down later.